Hi, I'm Conrad Trautmann, N2YCH Technical Editor at the ARRL, and I'm here with Paul Elliott. Paul, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Paul Elliott, WB6CXC. I've been a ham for a very long time, and I'm thrilled to be here at HamSci.
So Paul, you are the owner of Turn Island Systems.
Yes.
And you're working with the Tapper group to create a prototype RX888 radio.
RX888, yeah, working with Tapper and with HamSci. We've been using the RX888 radio for a lot of our work. Whisper Demon Network that Rob Robinette is huge amount of credit to Rob for that. But the 888 has got some issues, availability and other, that we figured a new layout, turning it into back into a completely open source project would be worthwhile. So that's what I've been working on for the past month or so.
And that radio would end up being deployed as ground devices for Whisper reception?
For Whisper and many, many other modes, the Whisper Demon Network, which is where I became involved with this whole program, started out with Whisper, but there are other modes, and is being used with other types of science, WWV reception, all sorts of other signals can be received using the 888 receiver platform. KA9Q software by Phil Karn, another great milestone, real game changer. And so not just Whisper, but it goes into a huge database which is then accessible by all the scientists here and other interested people, and can do amazing analysis with the data that we collect in the Whisper Demon Network using the 888 radio.
And so you said the other day, or earlier, that the prototype is in test at this point?
It's almost in test. The prototype got circuit board designed, schematic circuit board, and I am in the early stages of design review, peer review the design, and when that is completed, and I've been kind of slow getting that whole thing finished, then we will launch into prototype build through Tapper, and we'll see where it goes from there. Hopefully the first prototype will work, and if it doesn't, we'll figure out why and move on to the next prototype too.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for letting us know about your project, and your contributions so far have really supported the HamSci community.
Well, thank you. It's been a real pleasure. I'm just enjoying the heck out of this. Thank you.